Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Janice. So for today's vlog, we are going to make vegetable fried rice with sunny side up on the top. So basically, I use carrots, spring onion, garlic, some onions, and some chilies in it because I want it to be spicy. And you can use soy sauce or you can use sambal as well if you like sambal. But for me, I like it to use fresh green chili. So if you like this video, please keep on watching and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So what we are waiting for, let's start our fried rice. All the ingredients. So we have onion, garlic, chili, butter, spring onion, carrot, and we have eggs, 1 egg, and salt and pepper. And we have soy sauce and little bit of oil. And of course we have here steamed rice. Okay, let's start our video. First, we need to cut the carrots into cubes. You can cut it in small dice or in medium dice. It's up to your preference, but I prefer to cut it small dice. Then it's visible in the rice and it's easy to cook as well. So 10 carrots, it depends upon the quantity of your rice. So if your rice is a lot, then you can use more carrot in it. So cut it. And then next is our onions. So in onion, you can cut this slice, but I prefer to cut it chop one. Let it chop. Make sure your knife is sharp and it's easy for you to cut. And then set aside. Next one is chili. So if you don't like chili, it's optional. For me, I like spicy, so I will keep 1 chili. Just finely chop it nicely, and then set aside. And then spring onion. If you like cabbage as well, you can use cabbage, but for me, I don't like cabbage, so I'm just using spring onion. So you can use cabbage, you can use green peas, or you can use green beans and capsicum. It's optional, but for me, I just like simple fried rice. Yes, in some fried rice you can use a chicken, or you can use as well tuna. But for me, I prefer this spicy vegetable fried rice and with eggs on the top. So this garlic, you will chop it nicely, and then bowl and fork for the eggs. So you put the eggs in the bowl, and then you can add salt and pepper. Alright, so now we are ready for cooking. So it's complete. So we have eggs, we have carrot, we have onions here, we have spring onion, we have garlic, chili, and we do have butter here, and salt and pepper, and we have rice, and soy sauce, and we have oil. Alright, so let's go for cooking. So now our pan is hot, so we can add oil. Then we can add our garlic. So when it turns a little bit brown, you can see this. Now you can add your onions. So let's add our onions. And cheese. Once the onion will turn into golden brown color, then you can add a smaller scallop. So yeah, it's ready. Now it's golden brown. And now you can add carrot. Our fried rice is ready. Vegetarian fried rice with egg on the top.